here today to talk to you guys about elephant toothpaste. So elephant toothpaste is quite simple. We have 3 main ingredients in our elephant toothpaste. 2 of them are already mixed up in our tube here. So the first ingredient down here in the very bottom, we have hydrogen peroxide. And you guys might be familiar with hydrogen peroxide. Your parents might have used it on a cut to disinfect it. And hydrogen peroxide is going to interact with our second ingredient. And this second ingredient here is called potassium iodide. Now, potassium iodide is something that we refer to as a reagent. And a reagent is going to cause a reaction to happen very, very quickly. So when we add this potassium iodide in with our hydrogen peroxide and the final ingredient that's also in here, dish soap, we're going to create a chemical reaction that's going to be very explosive and quick. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in and we're going to see what happens. So there we go. We could see our elephant toothpaste shot out of the tube, and it was a very explosive reaction, and we can actually see some of that heat being released by that chemical reaction as well.